Alright, so back outside, driver, you are cleared to dispatch.
We had a holdup on some turkeys.
Good morning.
Alrighty, so it's rainy, 55
it's
degrees.
Supposed to rain all day.
Yeah, like 100% chance.
All day.
But we want to start coming to Magic Kingdom every Sunday morning, just because that's like daytime Magic Kingdom is our favorite.
And since you guys know rain does not stop us.
Yeah, we're here.
The fact that it's 100% chance of rain all day, it's 11:30 and the Heroes parking lot is half full, which makes me think that Magic Kingdom is going to be a slow
100% chance rain, 100% chance the crowds will be low.
Yeah.
So we do have a fast pass that we're probably just either gonna miss, maybe
But
get
they'll
the
honor
window.
it, 'cause we'll probably get there within 10 minutes after, so they'll honor it.
Usually fast passes will honor your fast pass 10 minutes after the time. So usually we'll take a leisurely ferry if we're not in a rush. But today, because we're taking the monorail.
I'm also slightly nervous. It's the first time we're fully taking this camera out in like a rain.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. It is chilly, it is rainy, but that does not stop. Look at how empty. It's at 11 a.m., 11:30, and the lights on Main Street are already on. Or they never turned off maybe. But look at this empty Main Street for a weekend day. Wow. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna get coffee.
My hand's cold, so your ring.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
First mission is to run Space Mountain to make sure we can get our.
Did you see me get splashed?
I did. Oh. Okay, we're 12 minutes late to our fast pass. I'm sure they'll let us on, but it's only a 25-minute wait right now. Weekend at 11:30. That just shows you the crowd level. Wait, what'd you just ask?
Would you rather do Tower of Terror or Alien Swirling Saucer?
Alien Swirling Saucer. So getting fast pass is set up for tomorrow. So while you're watching this vlog, know that we're going to studios that night. We also made our fast pass without having them to do anything. It just went green.
So it worked out great.
We're doing Small World in an hour, and we're getting.
No, Small World is good now.
Oh, Small World's good right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and then Haunted Mansion in an hour.
Oh, those are boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Wow.
I wore my Main Street Traveler Haunted Mansion headband.
Ooh.
That was extra fun.
It was.
You were laughing so much. It was like extra fast.
Yeah. It's a little blustery day in 100 acre woods.
The rain picked up. Peter got just a normal coffee at Joffrey's. He got me a hot chocolate.
I'm going on Splash because I know it's not down, and I'm sure it's a walk-on. It is from. So why do you say Sarah and I always go to the parks even when it's pouring rain?
I'm fixing my hair.
Because we don't let the weather dictate it unless it's like dangerous. But we are clever with our system. So like the camera, we have the big setup, but we were clever with how we transport. I've got a sweatshirt and a rain jacket. I kept the camera, took off the external mic, kept it underneath my zip-up jacket, underneath my zip-up rain jacket to keep it dry. Sarah's still evaluating her hair situation. As you can tell, we're getting pretty soaked. Look at my sleeve, but the camera is 100% dry right now.
Yeah.
I think the microphone's a little wet.
Yeah. What's nice about these Sunday trips is like we're gonna be able to do stuff that we usually don't do, just like at night when like crowds are low and stuff.
Yeah.
We can plan ahead. I feel like I'm on vacation.
It does feel like a vacation day, and then in 20 minutes we can use our magic or our Haunted Mansion Fast Pass, and we can get more Fast Passes. But I wish I was up there eating flatbreads.
So we're hanging out in Memento Mori before we go on Haunted Mansion, and look at these cute limited release plush. It's the singer at the end.
For my birthday.
For your birthday?
Yeah,
What is it?
Haunted Mansion playing cards.
Ooh. They still have the Hitchhiking Ghosts too.
Oh, are you ready?
Left to right, wall to wall, Philip.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
It was classic awesome ride. Sarah is making this day unreal with those Fast Passes that she got already. We've been here, what, like 2 hours, already did all 3 Fast Passes, and then while she was in line, right after we scanned our magic band, she got us another Fast Pass in 1 hour. And that Fast Pass, 7 Dwarfs Mine Ride. So since it's raining still, we're gonna try to run over to the mountains. It's not lightning, so outdoor attractions are still good. So we're gonna try to be those nuts crazy people and go on Big Thunder and Splash with it being this cold and rainy, because we have to get both those mountains done before our 7 Dwarfs ride.
Yeah. Sounds like a good idea.
Look at that. We are not, I repeat, we are not the only lunatics today. But we're up there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. I can't wait. I hope it's like a 5-minute wait. But let's check the times for both first.
Yeah.
And determine. It's official.
We got a 10-minute wait here and a 5-minute wait in first one.
And I think the 10 minutes for Big Thunder is literally just gonna be walking to the cube, because the ramps going down to the actual cube were empty just now. Woo! It's a good day in the Magic Kingdom.
We're going left still.
Yes.
Oh, we can't.
Oh! They broke our rule. That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Extra fun in the rain. All right. We made it into our 5-minute wait for Splash.
Can't run away from trouble. Ain't no place in park.
So true. So true, Sarah. By the way, put a comment down below if you love Sarah's leather jacket today. It's from an old Halloween costume when we were, what are their names?
Jay and Ice from
Jay and Ice from Hocus
And I
Pocus.
even forgot to take off, like, the leather gloves that go with it. So, if you want to wear these.
I am getting, my hands are a little cold, but I don't rock the metal studded knuckles. Not my style. There's no cast member here doing merging. That's how slow it is. It's crazy.
That's why we picked the Mine Train Fast Pass over.
Yes, because we know these would be walk-ons. Now after this, we've done all 3 mountains. Then we'll do like Philhar or 7 Dwarfs. This is a kind of strength in a Disney day that I love to see. Look at all these ponchos. We're just out here. We're not the only ones. We're not alone.
With everyone revealing pretty good shows you won't.
That was a good drop. That was a good drop. That was. But the raindrops are getting heavy.
Yeah, oh my god.
Heavy drops. We're live streaming on Instagram.
the patriotic music.
Wow.
Still going.
Still going.
Begin.
I'm gonna be honest, I thought this was gonna be packed.
I thought so too.
Because of the
Right when
rain?
we were walking in, I was like, this is like a good place to hide from the rain.
This is a full room. That means less waiting in this here terrible room. Sarah's obsessed front row in this attraction. She is ready.
Ricky, where's Donald? The orchestra's missing. It's showtime. Showtime?
It's solid viewing of PhilharMagic, but camera's going back away because we're about to go investigate our Seven Dwarfs went down for some reason. Like, it's not 101. Like, there's no lightning in the area, but Seven Dwarfs has an issue. So
Other outside rides are still on.
but we're gonna check on that and then maybe do Pooh and Pirates.
The camera is put away, but guess what? It's back
I
up!
think it literally just came back out because it's a 20-minute standby wait.
Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
So Seven Dwarfs was like
So
so
fun.
extra swingy and awesome in the rain.
Oh gosh.
Can't wait for that photo pass to pop up.
Yeah.
Welcome to the castle, Cash.
Cash.
We're about to go enjoy more fast passes because Sarah's killing the fast pass game today.
Welcome back, guys. Watch your step as you exit.
We're back at the TTC.
Yeah, it's
We're-
super easy peasy. We got the first man around.
But Sarah's jacket that we've been
weirdest-
raving about,
It's literally falling apart.
falling up.
Like,
It's been falling apart all day.
I haven't worn it since that Halloween.
And
I
that was in
think
Chicago.
It like must have dried out. It's obviously not real leather. Like I got it from a thrift store for like $5. And it literally is like
Falling apart chunk by chunk.
deteriorating.
So she's gonna chuck it.
Don't worry, I got the gloves.
You're keeping the gloves for future costumes? It's not worth donating because it's falling apart.
Yeah, no, nobody needs that. It's so weird.
But we waited till now because
It was warm. The worst. Don't drive at In the meantime, we gave Evie a bath.
she was feeling itchy. We don't know if it was, she does have dry skin. So we don't know if it's from like, maybe she's been eating too much weird stuff in her diet, like snack wise. But we gave her a bath since we had the time before we go on over to, did we say we're going to Katie's tonight?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we're going over to Katie and Dustin's tonight.
To watch the live Rent special.
And she's never been this good before
Yeah.
post bath.
True.
She's still mad,
Yeah.
but.
Okay, we've relocated to Katie's to watch Rent.
I brought
We're making popcorn.
my magazines with me so I can cut.
Because he's 73 years old.
We got Travel and Leisure, Bon Appetit, Wired, and Entrepreneur.
The whole time, but you guys have toothbrush and toothpaste on that sink.
Yes,
Oh, are you vlogging?
I am.
Wait, we left them here.
What?
We left them here. We are home finally from our very busy and long day and rainy. It rained in Florida for like, it's gonna rain for 24 hours before it's over.
Let's do our quote real quick and then sign off.
We're also gonna watch the movie Rent. 27. Do not get upset with people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction.
Enough.
I like that.
It's good to be, oh my gosh, my hair. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home. She says it's good to be home too.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.